Hey there, my name is Melissa Marginet, and I signed up for Global Quilt Connection because I have a passion to teach quilting. I had been traveling to teach, but I'm now also offering my classes in an online format. I have published 2 books on walking foot quilting, and I also teach classes on walking foot quilting, where I emphasize helping students build the confidence to quilt their quilts on their home sewing machines. Modern quilting with your walking foot is my most popular class. In this technique class, students practice quilting various designs on small quilt sandwiches. The class includes tips on managing large quilts on home sewing machines. Planning your walking foot quilting is a design class. Students work with pencil and paper, and I guide them through various exercises to show how I go about making a plan before quilting a quilt. Students will then work on planning the quilting for one or more of their own projects, and we work together as a class and share ideas. 2 other technique classes that I teach are Let's Bind It and Break It Up. There are many ways to bind a quilt, and there are many ways to quilt as you go. I teach several methods in each of these classes. Pixel Perfect, Zen Tree, and Florentine Bargello are examples of project classes I have to offer. I am also available for trunk shows. Get Your Motor Running and Myth, Quilting is an Expensive Hobby, are 2 of the trunk shows that I can present to your guild or group. Besides publishing my 2 books, Walking Foot Quilting Designs and Edge to Edge Walking Foot Quilting Designs, I have written several patterns. I have also contributed articles and patterns to a variety of magazines and blogs. I am an energetic and enthusiastic instructor. I have 20 years of quilting experience and 14 years of teaching experience. My classes speak to the perfectionists among us, as well as the carefree quilters and everyone in between. I believe we should never stop learning and never stop creating, regardless of where we fit on this spectrum. This is just a sampling of what I have to offer. I invite you to visit my website, melissamarginet.ca, for more information and to view my work. You can also email me at marginet@live.ca with your questions or to book an event. I look forward to working with you.